Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove empty rows and columns from table in Microsoft Outlook. So guys, let's start it. At first open your document. Firstly, now I can see the empty rows and column is the select and going to the border option and click the no border option. Then again select and row and columns, going to the table border option and click for the no border option. That's okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.